Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 242 Darcy Street, Unit 11. This lovely 2-bedroom condo is situated in a great area, a short walk to the downtown, the Cobourg beach, and schools. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the bright and spacious living room with large windows. The kitchen has been updated with a lot of cabinet space. The primary bedroom is spacious with a walkout to the south-facing balcony. There's an additional bedroom and a renovated 3-piece bath. You'll have the convenience of in-building laundry and a locker.